Want to make this type of amazing 3D map animations or newspaper headline highlight animations like box or YouTube channels lower third bar line charts or any type of animation video just in a minute? This video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Remotion in Claude Code to make, edit and animate motion graphics video from today. So let's get started. At first, you need to have Node.js installed, then you need to have Claude Code installed, and then you will have to set up Remotion. So if you are a beginner, don't worry, I will show every step from the beginning. Okay, so let's get started. At first, you will came to this Node.js.org, the official website. I will provide the link in the video description so you can check that. From here, what you will have to do, click this get Node.js, and now you will just download the installer. If you are using Windows, you will have to install the Windows installer. I'm using Mac, so that's why this is the Mac installer. I will simply click here, then I will choose a locations. For example, let me install it here on this download folder. So it's downloading. This is the very first step. We'll have to install Node.js because it's actually needed to set up Remotion and run Remotion. Okay, look, it's downloaded. I will double click here, and now I will install it on my machine. So it's very straightforward. I will have to just click next or continue to complete this process. Okay, the first step is done. Then the next thing what you will do, then you will go to the Claude Code, and from here you can download the Claude Code, or you can just simply just go to terminal for the installation process. Here you will copy this bash command, simply copy this. I also put this link in the video description so you can check it. Then you will open the terminal again, and here you will simply paste the curl command and then press enter. It takes few seconds to complete the whole process to install Claude Code on your machines. I will have to wait until it's completed. You can see it's on a setup Claude Code and installing Claude Code 19 build latest. So when it's done, you will see something like this: Claude Code successfully installed. And here you will see something like this. Okay, so the next thing you will have, we need to set up Remotion. But before that, what I will do, I will go to a project directory, then create a new project. So the project name would be something like this: Claude Motion Graphics or something like this. Then we'll open Visual Studio Code. This is the third step. Okay, so after then what you will do, you will simply drag this folder and drop it here. Okay, when you have something like this, you need an additional step. You can just go to this extension tab, then search for Claude Code, and then you will install this official extension from anthropic.com. So install this official extension. When you have installed this official extension, you will see something like this. Okay, this tab, we can just create a new sessions. So this is our new sessions. Okay, so what next? Actually, we need to install Remotion. So for this, actually we'll back here on this website. I also put this link in the video descriptions. Copy this command and back to your Visual Studio Code. Then you will open the terminal. You can simply drag it, and here this is your terminal. You will paste it here. Okay, so npx create video at the rate latest, and then you will press enter. Okay, it will ask you to proceed. We will type y and then press enter, and now it will say, would you like to start with a blank template or already have default template? You can choose any of these, but as we're going to start with fresh, we'll just keep the first one. If you go move to another one, you can just use your down arrow key to switch between them. Okay, and when it is actually the blank selected, I will press enter. And would you like to use Tailwind CSS? Obviously we'll have to use it, so yes. Agent skill, keep it yes. And now you'll see, so it's actually configuring. Here you will select the skills you want to install. Here you will have several options. Look, Remotion best practice, Remotion captions, also Remotion create docs interactivity. So you can just use your space bar to select any of these. I will go to down arrow and select all tools I needed. Let me just installed every skills from here. Okay, when all of this selected, I will press enter, and now so all detected agents, so keep it by default. Then here, install a scope. Would you like to install Remotion for only these projects, motion graphics, Claude motion graphics? This is my folder. Would you like only for these projects, or would you like to install it globally? So I think this is for project base is okay. I don't give it the global permission, but you can do that. So I actually a hobby video editor, so that's why it's okay for this. So here SYLM link, we'll keep it yes, and then proceed installations. Yeah, you can see it's installing, and here you will see lots of files and folder is there. Okay, so let me keep it yes here, and it will just give you something like this. To get started, at first you will have to command npm I. So this is the short form of npm install, then npm run. Okay, so to render a video, you will have to command this. Okay, so no worries. At first here, you will simply type npm I to install node packages that is essential for this projects. Okay, and before it's actually proceeding, here you can see that Remotion is free for teams up to 3. Okay, so you can just use it for free, but if you have more team members in your team, you have to purchase the plan, and here is the planning. So if you go to the commercial uses, license and pricing, you will see this. By default it's free license, but if you want to use it professionally, you can just purchase the company license. So something like this, 250 marks credit, but fee is okay for individuals and companies up to 3 peoples. Okay, so let me back to here. It's already added. The next thing is that we'll have to run our project by this command npm run dev. So we can just simply clear this. Okay, we can simply clear this and we can say npm run dev. Okay, so if you just command this, it will open a localhost port. So you will see this localhost ports, and you can see the preview of your video from here. Okay, so so we have our setup completed. Now we'll have to make graphics, so that's why I will minimize this, and here you can see the Claude Code interface. So when you have this Claude Code interface, if you don't have logged in on your Claude accounts, you must have to log in, then you will see this type of interface. I have already logged in my account, so that's why I am just seeing this. Okay, so how you can just create motion graphics or video animation? So for this, actually you will write prompt. So for this testing purpose, I will go to the Remotion's website, and from here under this resource, you will see under this prompt you will have lots of prompt. So this is the travel route on map with 3D landmarks. This is the news article highlight animations, so take intro animations, call to actions, YouTube lower third animations, and lots of animations. You can see it's also editing the shorts also. Okay, so you can just put any of this prompt. Let me just copy this prompt. Okay, and here is the prompt. Just copy this prompt and back to here. Simply here we'll call Remotion. So we'll type Remotion. Let me reload the skills first. Okay, so load it, and then we can simply type Remotion. So if you cannot find it, I wanna make video with Remotion. I have already set up Remotion in this directory. Just check it and confirm. Okay, so if you cannot find it, you can just comment it and Claude can do a stuff for you. Okay, no worries actually. So setups looks okay. I'm ready to go. Start motions. Okay, fine, everything is then okay, fine. If everything is okay, here we can just paste our prompt. Make a video using Remotion. So here is my prompt. Okay, I just say something like this, and I will just press enter. Okay, at first it's thinking, and look, it's actually loading Remotion based practice skills. And here this is map, mockup, and all of this stuff. So it will do all of this stuff. You will just wait and see and modify your video so that it looks amazing. We'll have to wait until it's completed this whole stuff. So here it's created lots of code. You can see this strip. Under this strip you will have JavaScript code writing with TSX. So here you can see composition, trip map, GOTS, Eiffel Towers, and all of this stuff is here. Okay, and if you want to see the preview, if you back here, you can see under this localhost / world trip here, this is our components. It's rendering. You can just increase the playback speed. You can just screen rate fit to 25%, 100%, okay, 50%, lots of stuff. And you will have lots of control. You can just drag this, and if I want to play this video, let me show you how it's going to show. It's perfectly showing all of this animation, map animation actually. And if you want to try to make others videos, you can back to here and choose any of the prompt and try each with your own